Hey folks, I'm Martin from Freshly Nutritious. Recently I've uploaded a video about the basic principles on how to use a pressure cooker, and I've also promised some recipes to go with it. So today I'm preparing chicken thighs in a tomato sauce in a pressure cooker, and I'm going to show you the ingredients right away. So I'm going to use 2 chicken thighs, 2 small onions and 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of charred tomato sauce, for the spices some salt, pepper, dried thyme and some chili flakes, some basil and some freshly grated parmesan cheese. We're gonna start by heating up some vegetable oil in the pressure cooker. As soon as the oil is hot, we're gonna put in our chicken thighs. And let them brown on both sides. And as soon as they have some brown coloring on both sides, we're going to take them out. Put them aside and use the same oil to sautée the onions and the garlic. Then we're going to add our spices. And let this saute for another few seconds. And as soon as the onions are translucent, we're going to pour in our tomato sauce. Then we're gonna put our chicken thighs on top of the tomato sauce. And put on the lid. Then we will let the pressure build up and pressure cook it for 12 minutes. As soon as the 12 minutes are over, we're going to quick release the pressure by pushing on the pressure valve. And before serving, we're going to cover our chicken thighs in tomato sauce, sprinkle over some freshly chopped basil leaves, and grate over some parmesan cheese.